Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to rotate screen on this device. First of all, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then in Settings select System, and in System go to Display. Now, scroll down and expand this list right here. Then select the orientation that you like. For example, let's select portrait orientation, and once you select it, you'll have 15 seconds to either keep changes or revert them. If you don't do anything within this 15 seconds, the changes will be reverted, so let's keep them by clicking right here. And then, in order to rotate screen back, expand this list once again and select landscape option right here. Then click keep changes, and this way you can rotate screen on your Windows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.